I'd like to talk to you about a neat kit I saw on Dark Arts lockpicking channel a week or so ago. It's a everyday carry kit that you can strap onto your belt, and I thought it was a great idea, so I bought the holder and put together some items in it that I think make a everyday carry kit, and I'd like to go over them with you, what I put in there. And this is it's made out of leather. I got it off of get it off of eBay or Amazon, and it's about $12. You can get different sizes, different colors, different prices, but I just got this one just to see how it would work out. And the first thing I have in here is a all-purpose multi-tool that you see. It's a Leatherman type tool, but this is a smaller version of it, and it has all the basic necessities you need: different knives, screwdrivers, pliers, rulers, files, that sort of thing that you can use for a multitude of things. And next I have this tactical pen. It's made by Atomic Bear, and they have lots of different styles. I like this one because it has a lot of different options to it. It has a glass breaking point on it, which also can be used as a defensive weapon. On the opposite end, it has a torch. It also has two functions. It will also flash for an emergency as well. It unscrews here for a pen. And another thing that's neat about this is this tip will unscrew out. And inside is another little multi-tool. It has a little saw blade there, a can opener, a wrench, and a screwdriver on it. And it screws into the shaft like that, so you can use the tool. And also what's neat about this is that you can buy an accessory kit, which is this is a ruler on both sides, and a hex bolt, wrench, and a ruler in millimeters and inches. And this little piece right here, I'll show you what that does in a minute. You also can get, this all comes in a kit, by the way, in here. This is an emergency whistle. And what it does is this unscrews from the tip, and you screw the accessories onto it, and this gets screwed onto here. It also comes with a nice little sharp knife that also screws onto the threads onto here. So you can use it as a defense weapon or to cut. And the last thing is a fire starter. It's very handy. And this is where this comes in. It has teeth on it. you can strike the for a ride to make a fire. So this is a neat little pin. And it's made out of aircraft grade aluminum and lifetime guarantee. And also used as a defense weapon. This thing will dig into you and cause some world of hurt. And you can hold it with your thumb up here, and there's a little groove here in the clip that your fingers can go onto to grip. So that's a handy little item to have. And I also have in here a larger torch or flashlight. To shine more light on the subject. And lastly, I have in here a southward pick pin. And in here is about a dozen picks, tips, and 2 different size wiper blades. All your pick tips in here. It's a very compact tool. Figuring out how to put it all together. There we go. Plus, I put this key ring on it. For additional uses, you can get additional pocket tools, little pocket tools that you can thread onto the ring. You can get your swick and get the keyring attachment on here and attach it on here if you don't have a Southwood pen pick or other manufacturer's pen pick. So it all fits snugly together here. And threads onto your belt on the side of your body, either left or right hand side. And it's a neat little handy kit to carry your useful tools and picks around. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again.